What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss out on the latest updates and trending stories. Coming up in this video, we have some heartbreaking, shocking and dramatic news making waves online. Happy Wife has revealed that her cancer has now spread to her brain, causing her to experience frightening symptoms. We also have the tragic news of two Jamaican men who lost their lives in a motor vehicle accident in Toronto, Canada. And in the latest social media drama, Jayden is reportedly trying to squash the beef involving his two girlfriends, Jaja. But anyway, people, stay tuned as we break down all the details. Let's get into it.
I am surviving on one lungs and cancer spread to my brain. So if I talk, it mix up all over the place. But you know what is the beauty about this sickness? You see when I shut my eyes, I'm seeing all kind of things. Everything we see double up 3 times. Like when I see Krista come through the door, and I see all kind of different things. And it's so excited. I like when I watch things that play up in the sky. I don't know if you people who reach this stage that I reach experience the same thing. And it is a beauty. It's a beauty to write it. It's a beauty. So out of everything, you have to just find something to be grateful for. And I am really grateful for that. I did there by myself. All I need to do is shut my eyes. Lord, it is so entertaining. What does my doctor say? I'm going through the normal stages. This is what people experience during their final stage. So I am at the final stage, and the only time that I'm happy, I when I close my eyes to see rubbish. God is here with us, and we are just happy.
So guys, let's keep Happy Wife in our thoughts and in our prayers. So tragedy has struck the Jamaican community in Canada following a fatal motor vehicle accident in Ontario. According to the reports, Jamaican farm workers Rupert and David Lindsay lost their lives after the vehicle they were traveling in was involved in a collision. A third individual was injured and transported to hospital for treatment. Both men were participants in Jamaica's seasonal agricultural workers program and had spent years working to support their families and contribute to their communities. The news has left family members, friends, and fellow workers mourning their sudden and tragic loss. Tributes and condolences have continued to pour in from both Jamaica and Canada, with many remembering the men for their hard work, dedication, and commitment to providing for their loved ones. Our deepest condolences go out to the families, friends, and everyone affected by this heartbreaking tragedy.
Since she doesn't want to talk it, I will talk it. I have no problem. You're female, diss me first. And I answer her back. That's it. So your female you have here, diss me first. And I answer her back.
All of them over here chat, I talk about leave. All of them are my people.
Well,
And the whole of them are get blocked.
Me never diss you first. Me never did.
okay, for the 4th time, classy baby girl, you asked me about my makeup and if my skin's cracked. And I asked you what you mean by that.
That was the game. Before the game, you have been dissing me and I did not talk.
When did I ever diss you? You ever see any screen recording of me dissing you ever yet? Jay knows I never dissed none of the ex-girlfriends yet, so I don't know why you're taking on your head to feel like I'm dissing you. Bro, you're on cloud 9, you need to come down. Because I don't know what cloud you're on. You need to come down, because no one's ever dissing you or talking about you. You should calm down. Because no one's ever dissing you. I'm on the screen with you because I felt okay to be on the screen with you. That you need to know. When you asked me about when you asked me about my makeup and if my skin's cracked, that was a diss to me. You understand that? And I asked you what you meant by that.
She does say our language barrier me like if you have pimples also that's why you may wear makeup every day.
Correct? No, I asked about 4 times. She can answer that. So don't, Jayden, stay out of this. I'm asking her.
Because it's a game. It's a game.
Bro, I have no
It's
problem
a
with
game.
games.
You know
I
why
asked you what the question meant. Are you slow?
Hold on. Because it's a game. You don't need to start explaining. That is the rule of the game.
But if someone
Rule
doesn't,
of the game is when I ask you a question,
but if someone doesn't understand your question,
we don't need to explain to you. It's the rules. Games have rules.
I get the rules. But if someone doesn't understand your question, so I'm clarifying what you're asking.
No, you don't break it down for them. That is the rule of the game. It is truth or drink. So when I ask you the truth
Rosa,
to answer me no need to break it down to you. It's the rule.
I don't hear you, boss. All right, classy, okay. It's the rules. I understand that's the rule, but I was just asking to clarify what you mean by that. That's all. And I felt offended about that. That's it.
You don't need to feel offended. Let me tell you something. It's like a dare game. When you are playing dare game with someone and you start feeling offended, you don't need to feel offended when you play games. When it start games is like when you say okay, you want to play this game, you should like sign up for the wars because you don't know what one with these people. You don't know what they might ask you. So you don't need to like feel any type of way. The only thing is for you to ginger your team to shoot for you to like have a balanced stand. You don't need to feel aware or feel angry if I ask you a question because it's a game. A game is a game. Don't take the rule out of the game. Period. If we are just chatting and I said that to you, fine, I will apologize and I'll be like, okay, fine, I diss you. But it's a game. You don't come to tell me what to ask you because it's a game. I won and my other person, like my team won. So it's left for us to ask you anything we want to ask you and for you to answer us. It's a game. So you don't need to put no emotions. When you say you want to play a game with someone and sign up a game, it's a 0 emotion and 0 feelings. And it's as simple because once you start putting emotions, destruction starts.
Of course. But classy, I think you're
putting emotions.
Can I talk? Can I talk?
Yeah.
Because I gave you score. Okay. So what I said was I understand the rules.
September the 12th.
Hold on, let me